We present an articular margin, Onlay, arthroscopic biceps tenodesis technique. Here are our disclosures. Patient is in the beach chair position. There is demonstration of disruption of the biceps anchor. Working through a standard anterior portal, the rotator interval tissue is identified and carefully debrided and released. Care is taken during this step to ensure there is an appropriate working space to allow for the tenodesis technique. The bicep is then identified and the biceps groove is visualized. The biceps groove is carefully and meticulously released. Care is taken during this process to ensure there is not injury to the bicep tendon. Once the bicep tendon has been released, as demonstrated here, a burr is utilized. The burr allows for translation of the biceps away from the groove, and the groove is prepared. Following preparation of the groove, a labral scorpion is used to pass a fiber snare through the bicep at the level of the top of the biceps groove. The end is retrieved through the anterior cannula, and it is passed through the looped end of the suture, creating a secure grasping suture. This same limb is then again passed for a total of 2 passes through the biceps tendon. A second fiber snare is then again passed, with care again taken to ensure that the suture is passed at the level of the tenodesis at the top of the biceps groove. After the second suture has been placed twice through the tendon, the suture tails are retrieved through the anterior cannula, and care is taken to ensure that appropriate tension is maintained. A tap is then brought in. A tap is typically chosen due to the dense bone encountered at the top of the biceps groove. The tap is placed in line with the sutures in preparation for an anatomically tensioned biceps tenodesis technique. The sutures are passed through a 4.75 Arthrex swivel lock anchor. Each limb is then sequentially tensioned to ensure that the tenodesis is under anatomic tensioning. The anchor is then reduced and secured into place. Following secure placement of the anchor, one limb of the suture is again passed through the bicep tendon, and the 2 ends are tied. We have found through biomechanical data that this significantly increases the construct strength by having this buttressing knot. The suture tails are cut, the bicep is released. Following the bicep being released, a secure tenodesis is demonstrated. The bicep maintains its position, demonstrating anatomic positioning and anatomic tensioning at the level of the top of the biceps groove. Thank you.